What's up? It's Jacob. Having a little bike check since I ain't been uploading anything lately. Been trying to film for an edit for me and then have like a whole group edit. It's been kind of cold and like I ain't been in the mood to like film for a lot of stuff lately for some reason. I'm gonna start up top. I have United Supreme bars. They're 9-inch rise, 28 width. They're like $39, and they're like pretty cheap for bars. But trust me, these things are super strong. Like there's ain't no telling how many times I've thrown my bike, slammed it. It's got slammed into rails. Like it's fell off a loading dock that was like 4 foot high, straight to the bars. No issues at all. Didn't even move. No bends or nothing. I love them. For grips, I got Colt Vans grips, bar ends, Odyssey par ends. For my stem, it's a Sunday Freeze top load stem and polished. It's a great stem for the price. I ended up cracking the Colony oil slick when I had. For my headset, I think it's the Odyssey Pro. I mean, it's a headset. As long as it spins real good, I'm fine. Sorry for the car going by. For my forks, I have Odyssey R32 forks. They're super strong forks. I was gonna get R25s, but I really wasn't for sure about the 25mm offset. I mean, if you can get nose manuals with 32, be the same with 25. It'd just be easier to get into. So why not keep 32? For my rim, for my front wheel, I have a Odyssey Hazard Light front rim with a Shadow Raptor front hub. For the pegs, I have on the right side, it's a Shadow Little One peg with a slicker sleeve. For this peg, it's a Colt Doomsday metal peg. You know, 2 plastics, 1 metal, works terrific. For my tire, I have a King Lyra 2.30 tire. These things have lasted me so long. I love them. Hub guard's a Shadow Raptor hub guard. For my frame, it's a Sunday Aaron Ross frame. It's like the Fun Day one that he had. It's got the Soundwave down tube. It's 20.75 top tube. Feels really, really mint. I love it. For the cranks, I have Odyssey Thunderbolt cranks. They're 22mm bottom bracket size. I don't even know why I just said that. That was retarded. My sprocket, I have Odyssey 28 tooth sprocket. Pedals, Odyssey Twisteds. Can't go wrong with those. KMC 410 HD chain. Bottom bracket, a United 22mm bottom bracket. My back wheel is a Demolition Rogue cassette, left-hand drive, Demolition Zero rim, King Lyra 2.30 tire. The back peg's Shadow Little One with the slicker sleeve and a Daily Grind hub guard, non-drive side. I have a Colony free coaster, but I kind of had to replace the axle and the clutch in it because it's messed up. I'll be back on it soon, possibly. My seat is a United seat. It's Corey Martinez's signature. He gave it to me. Well, he gave it to my friend Matt, and then Matt ended up letting him get it back, and then he gave it to me. And it's super, super soft. Stock seat post. Who cares? Stock seat clamp. Really cares about those either. I think that's it for my bike. It weighs like 25 pounds. I don't really like a bike too light because I like to have like where I can actually feel my bike under me while I'm in the air. It feels like I have more control. It's just personal preference, I guess. I think that's it. Other than this, I love my bike and looks good to me. Feels dialed. And yeah, I'm gonna have a couple rail clips at the end of this video, and if I never get the link to my friend's YouTube, I'm gonna put it in the link of this video. I'll probably have another bike check up on his channel for like an intro. I'm gonna have a game of bike between me and him soon if we ever get to ride the park. And then I should have my edit out soon. I don't know when it's gonna be. I'm gonna try to film like a street/park edit, and then we're gonna have like one big edit of all of us. And that's it. Thanks for watching and subscribe.